My friend Adeline decided to change her life and bought a quaint small 17th century stone farmhouse in Haute-Garonne, France. Adeline decided to furnish her living room with very interesting pieces of furniture. Here, we can find a well-preserved large 17th century stone fireplace. One of my favorite pieces of furniture is this beautiful small 17th century beige-trimmed English taffeta settee. So why do we say this and not this? It is because we usually put adjectives in this order: quantity, opinion, abstract quality, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, type, and finally, main noun. Let's have a look at this example. Beautiful, small, 17th century, beige trimmed, English, taffeta, city. It is worth mentioning the fact that we don't tend to use more than 3 or 4 adjectives before a noun. If we want to give more information about the main noun, we add an additional clause. For example, Adeline bought a quaint small stone farmhouse which dates back to the 17th century, instead of Adeline bought a quaint small 17th century stone farmhouse. Now, let's turn to what we call paired adjectives. Paired adjectives are 2 adjectives that are used together to describe a noun. We use them to describe different parts of the same item. We put "and" between paired adjectives. For example, this wooden and plastic chair has been designed by Ray and Charles Eames. Some parts are wood, some are plastic. We also use "and" between 2 colors. For example, I love black and white movies. We also use "and" between 2 adjectives describing similar aspects of the same thing. For example, we need to analyze this economic crisis from a cultural and economic perspective. The adjectives cultural and economic both refer to the perspective. Conversely, we use contrasting adjectives to describe contrasting aspects of the same thing. In this case, we use but or yet. For example, the meal was good but expensive, or Hannah's flat's quite small, yet very bright. And finally, let's try to work out when to use commas or "and". When we have several adjectives in predicative position, we generally use "and" before the last adjective, or we can just list the adjectives. For example, the sad, tired and bedraggled traveller could not believe her flight was cancelled. Or, the sad, tired, bedraggled traveller could not believe her flight was cancelled. Be careful. We never use "and" before the last adjective when the adjectives are of different categories. For example, we enjoy sitting in that comfy, soft, black leather sofa. Black and leather are adjectives belonging to 2 different categories. Black is a color, and leather gives us information about the material. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.